we're back and we're working on Morticia, and today we're going to take the drive line out. We're going to take the drive line out, we're going to look at the ball and trunnion joints, and we're going to see what we need to do to get that resolved. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a leak coming from, what is it, the rear diff? That's probably an easy fix, I would suspect, but here's our bolts we need to get to, so let's get at it. And of course it's daytime out, but it's still dark under here, so we're gonna use the Bill Cameron light to light our way, baby. All right, there we go. Now, let's see. What size is that? Looks to me like a 9/16. All right, well, I don't think this is the right size, but it seems to be working. Hold on. Let's see. I'm not sure how this disconnects, but the bolts are out. So you would think maybe I gotta, oh, this looks like it. There we go. Got her. I'm so curious to see what it looks like. All right, well, we got her out. I guess you can't really see much until... Interesting. Well, we're gonna have to take the other side off now. Down there. So let's drop this side and we'll lift up the front side and start going that way. Well, it should just pop out now. Let's see. Probably. Oh, there we go. We got her. So what kind of made that a pain was, I mean, it's only 4 bolts on each side, but you can't get in there with anything except for just a regular wrench. So you're just... So that's the part that made it kind of tough. Let's take a look at this thing and see how bad we're looking. We can drop this guy down now. All right, well, we can drop this. There we go. All right, well, I'll have to do a little bit of sorting out. I mean, this has got a little springiness to it, but This side is definitely, I mean, you can see there it's, I mean, the bar seems to be intact. I bet it's just those bushings on that side. And on this side doesn't seem too bad, but the boot's obviously done. We got to do both. So that's going to do it for now. Our next big challenge is we need to get the actual rebuild kits, which the cheapest one I found, it's $100 a pop per side. So yeah, so that's what we're trying to get next. I don't really understand how this part comes apart. I thought this was going to have some kind of separation here. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of research there. I know there's a tie here and a tie here. That comes off. But I have to figure out how this part disconnects. So any helpful info you guys have, please let me know. Any help is much appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. This is a success because we are one step closer. We might, depending on cost and other things, we might pull the clutch and throwout bearing too. Or, depending, we might space it out, replace this, put this back in. I mean, this wasn't the end of the world to take out, really. Just a little tedious. So we could just do this and then kind of limp by with the clutch and throwout bearing and do that when we can squeeze that one in. So, all right, thank you guys for watching. Boom, baby.